This is my favorite for the title. Fire cider, okay?
Fire cider.
Fire cider. So this has been around since the 70s. It's become really popular now on social. The main ingredient is ACV, apple cider vinegar, which everyone claims cures everything,
Right.
which is not true, obviously. But then you have all kinds of spices and herbs. So here we have turmeric, we have ginger, we have horseradish, garlic, basil, thyme. Some people like lemon, lime, and onion. So you can kind of make your assortment.
I see why we call it fire.
That's exactly right. So you basically put it inside, which we have here, you put it inside your apple cider vinegar. But here's the key, though. The apple cider vinegar, which people love, they say it cures everything. You have to be very careful. It's very acidic. It can ruin the enamel of your teeth.
Oh,
it can burn your throat, your gastrointestinal
I never
tract.
realized that. My grandpa always took a little shot of vinegar every now and then, digestive thing. But I never thought of that. It must hurt your teeth.
Absolutely, the enamel. So the dentists out there are like, yes, 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 it hurts your enamel. But the other thing is it can lower your potassium levels, which can be very dangerous and cause you heart problems. So if you're going to use apple cider vinegar, no more than 2 tablespoons a day max. But I still say an alternative is this. So use green tea. Take the green tea, all these...
Big green tea lovers.
Yeah, I love
there you
green
go.
tea, yep.
So all these spices and herbs, which are boosting of your immune system. Green tea boosts your immune system. Voila, you have a perfect combination.
And
so
anti-inflammatory, the ginger and the turmeric.
So this can be good, I think, healthier if you put into your green tea, and these things are awesome.
So just add the slices of turmeric root or
ginger, horseradish, garlic.
Right, any of
Put 'em
that.
in a tea.
I would lean toward the ginger and turmeric for me to go with the tea.
Yeah.